In this video, we are going to see how we can add the date and time to your Word document, not only inserting it one time, but it should automatically update. Let's say you have to submit a daily report and you are making some reports. It should update on a daily basis, because let's say you are working on a template every day. So you don't want to change the date manually every time. So how will we do this? I can just simply go to the Insert tab, and from the Insert tab, I will use this area, date and time. I'll just click here, and whatever available formats you have, you can see it right here. You have the month, date and year format. You have complete format, in which it will mention the day name as well as the full date. And also we have the options of just mentioning the year and some other formats. Let's say if I want to generate the time as well with the date, I can just choose any of these formats. But let's say if you live in a different location, what you can do is just change it according to the language. As you can see here, right now I don't have any options right here, but if I am in some other areas and my windows are configured according to that area, you can easily configure this, and then you will see these options. So you can just change that accordingly from here, and then you can change the formats. So I'll just select this. Make sure that if you want to update the date and time automatically whenever you open the document or whenever you save the changes, you have to check this one, update automatically, and then you can insert the date. And now the date is inserted here. You can just customize the size according to your requirements, and we are good to go. Now I will show you the example how it is updated automatically. Right now the time is 6:14 p.m. If I save the changes, close this document, and then let's open again, it will change the seconds here. As you can see here, it's 47 now. Let's close it again and open again. Now you can see it's 58. So it is updating automatically. But let's say whenever I want to make some changes, let's say I'm working on this document, and whenever I press save, let's press Ctrl S to see whether the time is updated or not. If I press save, the time is not updated. Now, if I don't want to close the document and then update the date, I can simply use the update feature. I'll just select here, and you can see update option here. So right now it's 58. Let's notice this. And now the time is updated. So whenever you want to update, just work on your report, and whenever you want to update, just select this. It will directly show you this option to update. You can also use the shortcut of F9, or you can right click and update the field from here as well. Similarly, if you want to name this as a field, I can just click on edit field from here, and then you can select any name for the field. By default, it is set to date, but if you want to name it some other name, let's say edit time should be the name, then you can change that as well. And just remember that if you want to maintain the formatting at all times so that it don't get disturbed when updated, you can just select this one, preserve formatting during updates. Just remember to do this, and then you are good to go. The date and time will automatically change whenever you press update or whenever you save the document. So guys, this is a very useful technique, especially if you are working on a template document again and again and you don't want to manually update the date and time. You can use this feature. Just try it by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.